we doing today, Boogie?
Putting on the exhaust.
What are we doing?
So we just sawed the muffler off. It was a pain in the ass, not gonna lie. It's really tight in there. You gotta get some funky angles, but we got it off. Now we're waiting for Ryan to get back, and then we're gonna start her up. Muffler delete. See how it sounds.
Sure you do it? Are you sure you're not?
Yeah, honestly.
10 hours later. Oh, that's not bad.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
That's quiet.
That's really quiet.
Too bad.
Would it be ideal for daily?
If you're trying to save money, yeah.
Honestly, I thought it was pretty good. I mean, it was really quiet. It was really quiet.
Yeah, it's not louder. Like I thought it was gonna be a lot louder. It's not louder. Muffler delete. You might gotta go resonator or something.
Yeah. Broken things.
What y'all know about the Jordan? Boy, what are those?
Ashy workers. So this would be like callus or
It was what?
resonator and muffler going?
Yeah, this is resonator muffler. This is open downpipe. Let's be real.
What do you think? Is it gonna be
Turn
loud?
the music off.
Oh yeah. You think it's gonna be loud?
We're about to find out. Hey, the real question is, but is a tomato?
You should have got it, Tommy. You what? All you can hear is yeah. Running like that. Look at these dudes. Look at these. What are those? What are those?
Alright, ready?
Do it for the vlog.
You ready?
Yeah. It does sound better.
Not too bad.
It sounds better than Callus or whatever.
That's a cold start.
Yeah.
So. Let it chill for a little bit.
Go check for leaks. It doesn't sound like any.
I'll check. Already.
Look at this dude. She goes, rep. What?
Rev it.
Rev it?
Yep.
That sounds kind of good, I'm not gonna lie.
Give her a good one, Ryan. Come on. Come on. That's really good.
Dude, the burble sound fire.
I like it a lot. A lot.
What exhaust is it?
The AWE track exhaust.
Do you like it, Matt?
Yeah, honestly, I was thinking about getting the touring version, but I don't know, man. Honestly, the track edition sounds really good. Like I was thinking, because the touring has a muffler and a resonator, so I would think maybe like it would be a little bit quieter. I was assuming this would be really loud, but it's not. It's actually really good.
And then this is what it sounds like whenever we're just driving normal. But people say it's like droney, right?
Yeah, but apparently this is.
It doesn't
really
seem
louder.
that droney. It only seems droney like if you step on it, you know?
And we're able to talk, you know.
Yeah,
this
we're
is
able to talk normal volume.
Especially with the windows down. With the windows down, you normally hear a lot more drone.
Yeah, you don't have to yell or anything.
Yeah.
Normally.
This is just us talking normal. And it's what downshift sound like in the cabin. Yeah.
So they're black like that. It's like, I really like the black blinker look. It makes the car blend way better than the fucking stock bright ass white ones. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, tint it, get some new wheels. Hopefully the bronze ones. Bronze wheels, I think it'd look way better than this stock shit that's here. I don't like the stock wheels. This sounds bad. I like the base model wheels better than these.
I don't know
Yeah.
about that. Those look better.
As long as it's painted, to me, it looks good.
Those look good.
Those look way better.
But just do like two. Yeah, subscribe. Like and subscribe. Hey.
This dude, party mode looking ass. Have his new trunk cover.
Nah, dude, OEM.
OEM plus. Oh, and then he's still got the oil down there.
I do. I didn't.
Dude, even with the punch holes.